Hello students. First of all, would like to wish you happy Independence Day. So today you know guys that finally India got independent, you know, or we became an independent nation altogether. So all of you once again wishing you happy Independence Day. So as I mentioned you in the lecture also, not in the lecture, I mean as in the WhatsApp message that today I'm not going to give you any kind of say test or any worksheet to be solved today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to post a homework sheet. Of course that's not for today, that's going to be done by tomorrow, and also you would be able to receive your marks for all of the three tests by today. What are we doing today in the lecture then? We are going to solve that particular test which happened around 4 days before. There were around 30 or 35 questions in that, of course, of science as well as maths. So today we are going to solve the math section, and once again we have to complete this entire part in less than an hour. So yesterday we just barely managed to complete that in an hour. Let's see. So, by the way, once again, my name is Gautam Jain. I don't know why it is important to say the name again and again and again. So, even if you know, it's very good. Even if you don't know, it doesn't make any difference at all. Okay. So, anyway, let's come back to the question number one. So, question number one reads something like this. If the sum of the area of two circles with the radii r1 and r2 is equal to the area of circle of radius r. So they are saying there are these two circles of radius r1 and there is another circle which I don't know is bigger or smaller because they haven't mentioned, and the radius is r2. If you feel like you can make it over here also. Okay, r2. If the sum of the area, so if the area of this plus area of this is equal to the area of the circle of radius r. Now that's not a circle, but let's assume that's a circle. So iska jo radius hai, that is r. So in dono ko add karne ke baad mein this is the circle. So they are asking you of the circle of radius r, then there are these four conditions. So let's see. So area of first circle should be equals to pi r1 square. Area of second circle should be equals to pi r2 square. If I add up both of these, that is a1 plus a2, that is area of the first circle plus area of the second circle, that should be equals to area of circle with radius r. Correct? In दोनों के बराबर होगा. So what was your a1? a1 was pi r1 square plus pi r2 square should be equals to pi r square. Correct? Let's now take out pi common and then do the cancellation part. So it will become r1 square plus r2 square should be equals to pi r square. Pi and pi cancel. So r square should be equals to r1 square plus r2 square. So this option is not right. This option r square should be equal to r1 plus r2 square is right. So the option is B. I have not written B over there. I forgot that. So the option will be B or the second one. Let's move ahead and do the second question. Second question says area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r. Now let's see. So if I am drawing this circle, let's draw a semicircle like this. Now we know that angle in a semicircle will always be equal to 90 degrees. So that means any triangle made in a semicircle, one of the angle will always be what? 90 degrees, because that is the theorem. So let's mark this part as A, B and C, and this is O. Okay, now let's see. They are saying area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r unit is. The biggest triangle which you can make has to get diameter as one of its base. So let's write largest triangle can be made by making one of the side as diameter by making one of the side as diameter. So ये मैंने diameter बना दिया. Now they are asking you what should be the area of this particular triangle. Common sense guys, this particular part is R. This particular part is R as well. So that means that AB should be equals to what? 2R. Right? Now if this is by the way 2R and if this particular part is 90 degree, let's draw or let's make a construction. This particular part once again. Now please understand they have said area of the largest triangle. Area of the largest triangle is what? That is half into base into height. So that is half into base. Base is right over there. But what is the height now? Now I don't know what is the height. So in triangle AOC and in triangle BOC, please understand आपने दी construction में ये 90 बनाया तो ये भी 90 होगा. So angle AOC should be equal to angle BOC, which should be equal to 90 degrees. Also, that is OA should be equal to OB and OC should be equal to OC. So that means that both of these particular triangles by side, angle, side, they are going to be congruent triangles. So that means that this triangle will be congruent to what? This particular triangle. If the triangles are congruent, that means that this triangle will be equal to this triangle. That means AC should be equal to BC. So let's solve this. So in triangle AOC and triangle BOC, angle AOC equals to 90 degrees construction, right? And also angle BOC is also equals to 90 degrees, which is also construction. Correct? If angle AOC equals to angle BOC equals to 90 degree, now what do you think? That means that OC should be equals to OC because that's common. And also OA should be equals to what? That should be equals to OB and that is radius. So that means that triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC. So triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC. So by CPCT, that means that what do you think? This particular OC, और by the way आपको इतना भी actually में करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. I mean AC और BC वाला part भी equal करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. Ideally यदि मैंने एक 90 degree का एक part यहाँ से बनाया, so that means this is your height and technically this would be your radius altogether. But खैर triangle से यदि आप prove कर दोगे so it would be better. So that means that OA should be equal to OB, then AC should be equal to BC, OC should be equal to OC. So all the three sides of the triangle is same. So by CPCT, AC should be equals to what? BC. Now that means that this particular part would be what? An equilateral triangle altogether, right? So that means that this is 90, this particular part is what? 60, 150 and this particular part is what? 30 and 30 wala part, right? Now, that simply means that यदि आपको area of the maximum triangle find भी करना है, so area of triangle, now since it is equals to your R, right? So that means that area of the triangle should be equals to what? That is 1 upon 2 into base. What is base? That is, this is the base of the triangle, that is R, and R is R square, correct? Or sorry, R plus R is 2R, not R square. So it is going to be 2R into, and now this particular side, that is half base into height is R, that is R. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So answer will become what? R square. So the answer should be equal to R square. Let's move on to now the next question, that is question number 3. Now what is over there in the question number 3? Question number 3 says, if the perimeter of the circle is equal to the perimeter of the square, that's what they have said. If the perimeter of circle is equal to that of a square, so question number 3 पर आते हैं. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r and 4 times of side. Perimeter of the circle is equals to perimeter of what? The square. So आपको यदि मालूम होगा 4 times of side is the perimeter of the square. Now they are asking you ओके, देन द रेशियो ऑफ द एरिया इज, तो इन दोनों के जो एरियाज का रेशियो होगा, तो मैं किसी भी एक टर्म को निकाल देता हूँ. सो 2 पाई आर अपॉन 4 शुड बी इक्वल्स टू वन साइड, और 2 times 1, 2 times 2, so that means pi r by 2 should be equals to one side, correct? Now, area of the circle, so area of circle upon area of square. So area of circle upon area of square. So what is area of the circle? That should be equals to pi r square upon area of the square is what? That is side square. So pi r square, I am going to put pi r square. Side की जगह पर मैंने value put कर दिया pi r by 2 whole square, और it should become what? That should be equals to, that is pi r square upon pi square r square upon 4. So it will go into the top, it will become like this, r square cancel, pi से pi cancel. So answer would be what? That is 4 by pi. Pi की value put कर देता हूँ 22 upon 7, so it will go at the top. 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. So answer is 14 by 11. So this would be the ratio. Or you can write the ratio as 14 is to 11. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. It is proposed to build a single circular park equal in areas to two circular parks of diameter 16 and 12. इन्होंने बोला है जो diameter first वाले park का है that is 16 meter. So that means the radius will be equal to 16 upon 2, that is 8 meter. Diameter of the second park should be equal to what? That is 12 meters, and the radius should be equals to 6 meters. The radius of new park will be, now they are saying single circular park equal in areas to these two circular parks. First question की तरह ही है. So let's add up a1 plus a2 should be equals to a of the new park being developed. What is a1? तो pi r1 square plus pi r2 square, मैंने small ले लिया है, सब capital में हो small में हो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, should be equals to pi, I'm sorry, should be equals to pi r square. So once again pi common निकालोगे तो अंदर कितना बचेगा? r1 square, once again taking r1 square plus r2 square should be equals to pi r square, cancelled. So that means, or r square should be equals to r1 square plus r2 square. Correct? Now what is r1 plus r2 over here? So let's put r should be equals to under root of, what is r1? It's 8, 8 ka square comes out as 64 plus r2 is 6, that's 36. So r should be equals to square root of 100, or r should be equals to 10. What is that, meter? So answer is meter, right? Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Now what is over there in question number 5? Now let's see this. Guys, you need to increase your speed, please understand. Question number 5 says the area of circle that can be inscribed in a square. The area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square. So guys, square has got all the four sides equal, and आपने एक इसके अंदर एक inscribed किया है. Inscribed का मतलब होता है, guys, pardon my drawing, you know how beautiful artist I am. Right. So it's kind of this. So if यदि मैंने यहाँ से सेंटर पे बनाया और यहाँ से यहाँ बनाया, so this would be r and this would be r again. So that means the diameter should be equal to what? 2r. But please understand, the side of the square, don't you think this side is equal to 2r? That is diameter. So side of the square should be equal to what? That is 2r. So now what are they saying? The area of circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeter. So आपको यहाँ पर ये पूरा का पूरा कितना दे के रखा हुआ है? 6 centimeter. So what is the formula of area of the circle? So area of circle should be equals to pi r square, correct? So that means that r के जगह पर कितना हो जाएगा? 6 is equals to 2r. So R should be equals to 6 upon 2, that is equals to 3 what centimeter? Hopefully, right? Let's put down the value. So the answer is that area should be equals to pi की जगह पर pi, r square की जगह पर 3 का square is 9, so answer is 9 pi. If you want to put now value of 3.14 you can, so आप 9 into 3.14 भी put कर सकते हो, or you can do 9 into 22 upon 7, choice is yours. So मैं 9 into 3.14 करके लिख देता हूँ. 9 4s are 36, 36 6 carry 3, 9 1s are 9 into 12, 1, 27 by 28, so it's 28.26 what centimeter square. So that's all is the answer. Let's move now on to question number 6. If the radius of circle is doubled, if the radius of the circle is what? Doubled. So पहले radius कितना था? R should be equals to, इसको old लिख देता हूँ. So radius old should be equals to R, and now the radius new should be equals to what? That is 2R. So they are saying that the area of the circle, the radius of the circle is doubled, its area becomes, पहले ये R था तो अभी area कितना हो जाएगा? Area new upon area old should be equals to, what is the area new? Area new should be equals to pi R new square upon pi R old square, correct? So pi and pi cancel. What is R new? R new is 2R, 2R का मतलब हो जाएगा 4R square, because 2R का square करूँगा तो 2 का square 4 और R square का R square, whole upon and then once again R square, because original was R square. Cancel, so answer is 4:1. 4 upon 1 का मतलब 4:1 ही होता है. So that's done with question number 6. Moving on to question number 7. A wheel of diameter 350 centimeter, so diameter is given to you as 350 centimeter, has covered certain distance. जब भी question distance का आता है, that means circumference. So circumference should be equals to 2 pi r, right? और आप 2 into r की जगह पर d भी डाल सकते हो, so it can be pi d. It could be another formula. So pi की जगह पर 22 upon 7 into 350. 7 times 1, 7 times 5, 0. 22 into 5 is 110 and then again 0. So that is what? Meter, centimeter, centimeter. They are saying has covered certain distance. If the wheel makes 200 rotations, for one rotation this is the distance. So for 200 rotations, answer is going to be what? 1100 into 200. So 2 into 11 is 22, then comes 0, 0, 0, 0 centimeters. But this is such a small unit, so let's change it into meters. So this will become what? 220 meters. और यदि किलोमीटर में करोगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? That is 2.2, और अच्छा मीटर में ही रहने दो इसको. So that's all the answer is 3 zeros. Oh, I'm sorry. सेंटीमीटर से करूंगा तो 100 से डिवाइड होगा तो इट विल बी 2200 मीटर्स, और डिवाइड करूंगा और 1000 से तो इट विल बिकम 2.2 किलोमीटर्स. लेट्स चेक द आंसर वंस अगेन. अ व्हील ऑफ डायमीटर 350 सेंटीमीटर, सो पाई इंटू डी, 2 इंटू आर का मतलब डायमीटर होता है. सो पाई डी, पाई की जगह पर 22/7 इंटू डायमीटर इज 350. 7 5s are 35, 0. 22 5s is 110. Okay, and then one more 0, so centimeter, that's right. So for 200 rotations, this is going to be the answer. Got it? Next पर बढ़ते हैं. Okay, so that's all. So that's not all. Okay, so let's now continue with question number 8. So question number 8 says, if the area of the circle C is equal to the sum of the area of two circles of diameter 10 and 24. Same question, guys. So given D1 should be equals to 10 centimeter and D2 should be equals to 24 centimeter. Now guys, that means that R1 should be equals to 5 centimeter and R2 should be equals to 12 centimeter. So that's also done. Now they are saying that the area of the circle is equal to the sum of the areas and you need to find out diameter. So very simple. Area should be equals to what? That is A1 plus a2. So pi r square should be equals to pi bracket r1 square plus r2 square. अभी तक भी यदि आप देखोगे तो हम लोगों ने यही किया था हर क्वेश्चन में. सो पाई की जगह पर पाई से पाई कैंसिल, r square or r should be equals to under root of r1 square. What is r1 square? 25 plus 12, 144. So it comes down to what? It comes on to 169. It should be equals to 13. That's all. So that means that this particular radius is 13. That means that diameter should be equals to what? 26. Right? तो ये आपके पास में आ चुका था. The diameter of the circle is 26 centimeters. So that's all it is done to. Let's move now on to question number 9. But before proceeding, let me change the marker because I think this is already gone altogether. Okay. So question number 9 पर आता है. Question number 9 says, if the difference between, difference का मतलब subtraction. So if the difference between the circumference and the radius of the circle is 37 centimeter. So C का वैल्यू क्या होता है? 2 pi r minus radius तो r ही है, should be equals to 37 centimeter. So let's do this guys. So मैंने r बाहर कॉमन निकाला तो अंदर कितना आ जाएगा? 2 into 22 by 7. Oops, sorry. minus 1 इसके लिए should be equals to what? 37, correct? So यहाँ पर r की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? It should be equals to 37 upon 22 by 7 is 44 by 7 minus 1, or it should be equals to 37 by 44 minus 7 is 37 by 7. So 7 will go at the top, so this will become 37 by 37 into 7. Cancel, or r should be equals to what? 7 centimeter. Now, but they haven't asked you r. What they have asked you is diameter. So diameter should be equals to r, that is twice of r, which should be equals to 14 centimeter. And that's all that's done too. Let's move directly on to now question number 10. If the perimeter of semicircular protector is 54 centimeter, so they are saying perimeter of a semicircular protector is 54 centimeter. Now guys, please understand there's a difference in the word semicircle, the circumference and the word perimeter. Perimeter means this along with this also. This along with this also. So if suppose karo this is your O and this is your A and this is your B, that means OA and OB are what? Radius. और इसका circumference कितना हो जाएगा? 2 pi r upon 2, that is pi r. So this should be equals to pi r, correct? Plus r, that is diameter 2r, correct? Now they are saying that in question number 10 this is equals to what? 54 centimeter, correct? So let's now find it out. So मैंने यहाँ पर 22 by 7 निकाल दिया, सॉरी r कॉमन बाहर निकाल दिया, तो अंदर बचेगा 22 upon 7 plus 2 should be equals to what? 54. Let's solve it. So this is going to be r bracket 22 plus 14. 22 plus 14 will come out as 36. मैंने LCM किया upon 7 should be equals to 54. Let's cut this. 9 4s are 36. 9 6s are 54. 2 2s are 4. 2 3 times is 6. Or answer is 20 to 3 is 21 upon 2. So answer is 21 by 2. But they are asking you to find out the diameter. So diameter should be equals to what? 2 times of r, which should be equals to 21 by 2 into 2. So this should be equals to what? That is 21 centimeter. And that's all is the answer guys. So ये भी हो चुका आपके पास में. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So let's now move on to from question number 10 to question number 11th. So what is over there in question number 11th? So in question number 11th it simply says, so in question number 11 it simply says, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. So let's see. They are saying in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, so this is 21, this is also 21. This is your O, this is your A, this is your B. In a circle of radius 21, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. So this is 60 degrees. Find length of the arc and area of the circle formed by the arc. Okay, so guys, length of the arc find करना है, तो length of the arc का formula क्या होता है? That is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. और area का formula क्या होता है? That is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? Theta is what? 60. So it should be 60 upon 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. What is r? Is 21. It should be equals to 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Correct? Correct? 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 7 times 1, 7 times 3. So what do you think the length of the arc is? So length of the arc आपके पास में आएगा 2 into 22 is 44 और 22 into 6 आ जाएगा. So 6 2s are 12, 1 12 13 132, 22 into 6 and whole upon is. Achha, this is going to get cancelled, guys. So see this part now. 2 and 3, 6 is going to cancel with 6. So answer is what? 22 centimeter is the length of the arc, while area of the arc, what do you think the area should be? So let's do once again. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1 times, 2 11 times. So it's 21 into 11. Let's multiply this. 21 into 10 is 210. So 210 plus 21, it should be equals to what? That is 231. So answer is 231 centimeter square. So that's all. So while your length has got the answer is 22 centimeter, your area has got the answer is 231 centimeter square. Let's move ahead. So let's move on to the question number 12. A chord of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. A chord of a circle of radius 14. So radius is given to you as 14. Subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. So this is O. Now common sense, guys, think about it. If radius OA and OB are same, that means the angles opposite to this side will also be same. That means this is also 60 degrees and this is also 60 degrees. So ये कैसे आया? Linear pair. 60 degrees ये है, तो triangle का sum 180 होता है. 180 minus 60 is 120. अब दोनों एंगल सेम है तो 60 60 के ही होंगे ना. So that means this is an equilateral triangle. Now a chord of a circle of radius 14 subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of corresponding major and minor segment. So they are talking about आपको segment find करना है. Segment का formula कैसे निकालते हो? So area of segment minor, what do you think? It should be equals to, क्या हो जाएगा? That is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So area of sector minus area of triangle. So what is the area of sector? It is theta upon 360 into pi r square minus an area of the triangle. Since it's an equilateral triangle, तो equilateral triangle का formula क्या होता है? √3 upon 4 side square. Correct? आगे बढ़ते हैं. थीटा की जगह पर 60 upon 360 into pi की जगह 22 by 7. You can put 3.14 also. What is r square? That is 14. तो 14 का square minus this is √3 upon 4. What is side? Side of the triangle is also 14. 14 आपके पास में पहले से ही आपको दे करके रखा हुआ था दोनों जगह पर, तो मैंने 14 का स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 196 मैंने बाहर कॉमन निकाल दिया. अंदर क्या बचेगा? 0 and 0 cancel. 6 times 1, 6 times 6. Correct? So this is 22 upon 7 into 6. So 2 3 times is 6 to 11 times. So this will be 11 upon 21. So 11 अपॉन 21, 14 स्क्वायर पहले ही बाहर जा चुका है, माइनस √3 अपॉन 4. Correct? Now it should be equals to 196 in bracket 21 and 4. So the LCM is what? That is 42. No, it should be 88. 3, 7 and 2 and 2, right? It's 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it's 84. 21 4 times is 44 minus 4, 21. So this will be 21 √3. 84 2 times, so let's divide it. 2 2s, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 12 16, 4s are 8, 9 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49, 7 upon 3 बचा है यहाँ पर. So let's see this. So this will be 7 upon 3 in bracket 44 minus 21, and what is the value of √3? It is 1.732. So 21 into 1. आप 1.73 भी ले सकते हो, 1.732 भी ले सकते हो, जो भी आपका मन करे. So let's see this. So this is going to be 7 upon 3 in bracket 44 minus 21 into 1.73. So it's 1.73 into 3 7 1 cross 6 14 4 carry 1 4 3 7 and 6 12 13 का 3 carry 1 2 and 4 is 6 and then 4. So 1 2 1 2 46.33. What? कुछ गड़बड़ी किया क्या? 3 7 1 6 15 4 carry 1 2 and 3. Okay, sorry. Okay, right. 21 2 is 42 आता है. तो 3 13 3 4 and 1 5 and 1 6 and then यहाँ पर 3 आएगा. So it's 36.33. So 44 minus 36.33. So this is going to be 7 upon 3 bracket 44. So 10 minus 3 will come out as 7. Then comes 9 minus 3 will come out as 6. Then comes 3. 13 minus 6 will be 7. And then 3 minus 3 will be 0. So it will be 7.67. 7 and 7 14 and 6 is 20. So 3 से भी मैं divide करूँगा. 3 1 times 3 to the 6 1 3 5 the 15 1 3 5 the 15. So it's approximately 2.55. Multiply कर दोगे. 7 into 5 is 35. 5 3 35 38 38 8 carry 3 again. So it's the 14 and 3 17. Answer is what? That is 17.85 approximately. Now that's what? That's the minor segment. अब major segment कैसे निकालोगे बचा हुआ? Area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So pi r square minus this value and you will get the answer. Okay. Let's move ahead. Question number 12 हो चुका. Question number 13. A chord of the circle of radius obtains an angle 60 degree at the center of the circle. It's guys the same to same part. 14 के जगह 10 ले लेना, यहाँ पर 60 ले लेना, and that's all. So that's all. It's done and it's solved, guys. Okay. So that's all from my side. If you do have got any other doubts, guys, please do comment, or by the way, send that particular doubt on the WhatsApp. Thank you guys so much. Once again, happy Independence Day. And remember, guys, yeah, I know every time. Still, guys, chill, relax, enjoy. Bye. Love you all.